Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create bigger lobby, right, in your Lethal company, right, up to 32 players. So here, first of all, you have to just go to this website. This is a perfect for the Lethal company mods here. Now make sure you go to the communities, go and click on Lethal company here. Once you're here, first of all, you have to download this BepInX pack because it will help you to install this, a large room mod. So first of all, you have to just go and click on it. Once you go and click on it, you have to go and click on manual download. I have already downloaded here. So let me show you. So first of all, once you get download, just go and click on extract all. Now here, it will just take a few seconds to extract your files here, and you have to copy these files, right? And we have to copy this file and you have to paste it in your Lethal company game folder. So you have to go to your Steam or Epic, wherever from you have downloaded. For example, this is my game here, right? So you have to right click on it and you can just go and click on manage, and here just go and click on browse local files, right? And now here you have to paste it up. And once you paste it up, make sure you open the game once again, right? And once you execute your Lethal company game here, now you have to go back to this Thunderstorm. Now here you have to just go back and search for a mod, big room, right? Now once you search for it, you will get this big room mods here. But if you want to expand your room, you have to look for which is called more company, right? Search for it, and here's where you will get it, which is this one, and this is the mod we are going to use it. In your case, you can use any another one. You can research for it, whichever mod you want to go for it. Same thing, you have to follow the same thing. You have to just go and click on manual download. Once you download, just go to your game folder here. Now here somewhere you will get a folder of plugins, right? Once you execute your Lethal company game, automatically a new folder will come up here, and you have to paste copy that folder and paste it here, right? And you have to copy this more company folder and paste it in your plugin section. That's it. Now execute your game once again, and automatically you will get a bigger large pool to play up to 32 players together. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.